If you're into crypto, then you must have heard about the platform OpenSea. But what actually is OpenSea? By the end of this video, you will know everything from creating an account to buying and selling NFTs on the Open NFTs marketplace OpenSea. So let's get started without wasting any more time. To begin with, what is the hype about OpenSea and how do you get it? It's as simple as making an account on Facebook. OpenSea is the largest worldwide marketplace where you can sell or buy your non-fungible tokens and earn money with your digital art. It's built on top of the Ethereum blockchain, but that is not limited to it. We'll be discussing it in the buy and selling section, so stay tuned. First things first, what is the most essential element to get started? Ethereum or digital currency, because without it, your transaction cannot be completed. Few choices to get your crypto wallet connected with OpenSea are Coinbase, FTX, MetaMask, or Wallet Connect. Note that connecting your crypto wallet is mandatory for creating an NFT and putting it up for sale on OpenSea. To sign into your wallet, you will need to go to your OpenSea screen, click on My Profile on the top right corner, and press Sign into your wallet. That's pretty much it. Once you've connected your wallet, your default account will be made by the name of Unnamed that you can always change. For setting up your profile further, you can click on the gear icon setting on your right. You can set up your preferred username, your bio, and your email address for enhanced security. You can even upload your profile picture to outshine your profile. Next step in this video is about how to buy NFTs in OpenSea. Once you are ready with your OpenSea account connected to your crypto wallet, you cannot start collecting your NFTs by making offers. To see the latest NFTs, OpenSea has a marketplace open in the top bar where you can browse several options for NFTs and purchase what you like the most. You can also use the search bar for it. On your screen here, let's search Bored Ape. As you can see, various NFTs are in the market. Further shortlisting can be done by clicking right here on the filter, Highest Last Sale, where you can select further your preference regarding lower prices, recently received, or ending soon. Once you have selected the NFT you're interested in, select the Make an Offer button. Note that the gas fee is to be deducted from each transaction on Ethereum. You can always go with Polygon because they allow gas-free NFTs. It takes nanoseconds to transfer to bid to the owner, and your offer is made. The next step in the video is how to sell your art on OpenSea and earn money from it. From the home page, select the My Profile icon and click on the Create button. Add NFT art and put it up for sale. Fill in the description, and now we can move on to putting it up for sale. After adding the picture, name your item and add a description of it. You can also add external links for it for extended information. Fill in the other options of properties, levels, starts, and others. These are important to give the buyer in detail information about the NFT. The unlockable option you are seeing on the screen is for the buyer. It can include any additional information about the NFT. If you think your NFT comes under a sensitive content heading, you can click on the explicit and sensitive content. Next is the supply. Add the number of NFTs you have of the item. The next step is the blockchain option. You can choose the crypto you want to sell your item into. Mind that your gas fee will be deducted in the selected blockchain as well. Click on the Create button next, and you're ready to go. Please like, subscribe, and share the video if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.